Hi everyone and welcome to Mitra Electronics. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to blink multiple LEDs in a sequence using an Arduino. For this project, we are going to need an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, some LEDs, some resistors and some jumper cables and a 9-volt power supply. Now let's take a look at the circuits part. Here I have got an Arduino whose digital pins are connected to the positive pins of the LEDs and the negative pins of the LEDs are connected to resistors which are connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. Now let's see the code. Here I have assigned LED variables to their respective pin numbers. In the void setup loop I have declared each pin as an output. And in the void loop I have designed the sequence of the LEDs. You can change the void loop according to your needs. Now let's look at the output of our program. As you can see, the LEDs are blinking according to my program. That's it for today. Thank you and take care. And I will see you in my next video.